Tour. This is my other most recent score. It's a K63 blender fan. I don't have blades or downrod for it. Yay! 1930s light cover thing. My collection has grown exponentially since the last National Ceiling Fan Day. There's the cast iron mess again. Hello, Snow White. Socket. Delta 1 blades, 1930s blades, Delta 1. 1930s downward, 1930s light. Thank you. Instruction manual to designer. That's W11. Those were wire cutters, Delta cane blade. For Delta 1 from 83. The third and third part of my collection has that Panama. You've seen everything in here already. Here's a Chrome Zephyr. Now for some of the stuff you didn't know I had. You've seen that original. You've seen that Lady Delta. You've seen that Comfort Breeze. You've seen that Delta. Not that one. This is going to Emmanuel. Some are quite a shot. You've seen that K63 Zephyr. You've seen that old Jacksonville. There's a Laguna over there. You've seen that Victorian way in the back over there. You haven't seen that CEC thing. Right there. Focus. Crown blades. Alright. Details. $1980 original, 2-speed replace pole train going to Alex Pfaff possibly. Supreme Emperor. Got this at Habitat months ago. And then, where is it? It happened. Oh wait, that's the wrong blade. Why the hell are all the blades in here? Whatever. I broke a blade arm. That's what I'm trying to say. 1992 Lady Delta. Westinghouse Schoolhouse Fitter. Bleach Stoke blades. Box for Bleach Stoke blades is over there. Comfort Breeze 80, 81. I don't know. Correct switch housing. No downrod. No canopy. K63 Zephyr going to Matthew Orwatt for a first generation Charleston. Or Josh if he ever decides to beat that offer. 1983 Delta, 1981 Delta, 1981 Old Jacksonville, 1981 Victorian, 83 SMT Laguna that I left outside for 2 friggin' weeks and the bearings are now freight trains. Queer CEC thing. Spartan Old South. And this Victorian. His switch cap is right here. Totally not having second thoughts about this one because the slumber quiet be shot. Can barely turn the dial as well. This does have one of those weird blue boards. Finish is having issues. It's a nice fan overall. If the slumber quiet worked, I'd have kept it. And that is my collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.